this video, I'll show you how to use your AirPods Pro as hearing aids. Now it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is load up the settings on your iPhone and then just scroll down and click on accessibility. You can then scroll down again and select audio and visual and then click on headphone accommodations. Now what you need to do is upload the results of your hearing aid test. So if you already have your results on paper, you can go and use your phone camera to take a picture of these results and you can go and upload them onto your iPhone. Now alternatively, you can also use your AirPods Pro to go and test your hearing as well. So what we need to do is close out of this window and then just go and open up the App Store on your phone. You then need to use the search box and type in mini hearing test and go and download this app here. Now once it's downloaded, you can go and open up the app, click on get started, and then you can go through the steps to test your hearing using your AirPods. Now once you finish the test, you'll need to save these results to the health section on your iPhone. Once you've done this, you can head back over to your settings and come back over to headphone accommodations. Now from here, your test results should automatically be pulled through. It will then use the information from the test to go and apply automatic customizations to your AirPods, and that's how to use your AirPods Pro as hearing aids.